Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all would be fine and would be listening to your parents what they are asking you to do. Welcome to the first online video class of English of Standard 2. Now, before starting my class, I would like to first show you some demonstration. Are you ready? Just come with me. Now, what I'm going to show you is I have two boxes. As you can see, I have two boxes. One is of Sony Xperia mobile phone and another one is of Micromax phone box. Okay. Now, my purpose of showing you these two boxes is not to ask you about the brand or about the company of the mobile phone. What I am showing is what is the difference that you are finding in between these two boxes, right? Can you think of it? Yes, that's right. The boxes are of different sizes. Look at this box. This box is smaller as compared to this box which which I am holding in my left hand. Is it clear? So this is what is the difference between these two boxes. Another example which I can show, or you can say the demonstration which I can give, is of this board. Can you recognize this board? Yes, this is a whiteboard. There is one more board which is behind me. This one. This is also a whiteboard. Can you see both the boards here? Right? Both the boards are having the same purpose. The purpose is to write it with marker, to explain or to draw or to do any written work on it. Now, again, the purpose may be same, but the thing is that both the boards are in different sizes. Clear? So, with this demonstration, what is the conclusion that we came up to? The conclusion is we are showing the differences between two different things, and a word, a term is given to this type of activity that we do. Do you know what is the term given? What is the word given to it? The word is comparisons. Okay, and this is what we have in the first chapter of English Standard 2. Our lesson 1 name is comparisons. I hope the demonstration must have been clear to you all. The comparison means to think of the similarities as well as some dissimilarities between two same or between two different objects. Okay, there must have been many things in your home in which you could show the comparison. You can take up the example of your mobile phones. If you have seen in your home, your grandmother or the or some other member of your family might be having some small mobile phones. Okay, some might be having big mobile phones. So that is what the comparison is, finding the similarities and the dissimilarities between these two objects, the same objects. Clear? Now we will proceed further with the content of the lesson, but before that I'll be moving to the I connect section of the chapter. Let me first introduce you all with your book. This is your book. Okay. This is your My Pearson Mypedia English course book standard 2. This is the book which you'll be following in your upcoming class that will be starting maybe very shortly. Okay. As I told you all, I'm going to introduce you to the I Connect section of the chapter, which is this one, as you can see on the board. Now, what is given here is, read out with me. Can you see the caterpillar? Do you see the whale? Okay. So you can understand that there are two pictures given. One is of a caterpillar. The another one is of a whale. Okay. Now, what you have to do in this I Connect section is you have to answer the question which is given here. The question is, why do you think the caterpillar said to the whale? What did the whale say to the caterpillar? What do you think the caterpillar said to the whale? What did the whale say to the caterpillar? Okay, so you have to make out the conversation which might be going on between this caterpillar and this whale. And the next question is, you have to write what they said in the bubbles, then ask your friends what they wrote. Now, I know this is not possible for you all to discuss the answers with your friend, but this work can be done as an homework for you all, which you can discuss it with your friends when you come for your classes, when you come to the school. Okay? Now, moving further, we will start with the I read section of the same chapter, which I am going to show you in the next page. Now, this is the poem which is given in your book. First of all, we will read the poem. You will read with me. As you don't have the book, please go through the lines which I am showing it to you, and then I'll explain you the meaning of the difficult words as well as the each stanzas of the poem. Now see, in the first stanza it is given, the elephant is very large and I am very small. The snail might say as much to me. He would think me very tall. The next stanza says, a rose is to a ladybird a palace grand and sweet, as big as houses must appear to children in the street. Coming to the third stanza. Are you all reading with me? If not, please do that. And stars that look so wee are big, some bigger than the sun, yet they sprinkle all the sky like currants in a bun. The fourth stanza, it's read as, and though I'm really 7 years old, so large compared with me is daddy's car. When I get down, I feel I am scarcely 3. Okay? Now, I hope you all must have read the poem along with me. If not, the pages of the book is uploaded on the parents portal. So please go through it and take down the pages and read the poem at home. Moving further, I'll be going on with the explanation of each and every stanza along with the word meanings.